In this video, we will show you how to delete extra page in Microsoft Word. When you have a document like this and there is have extra page, okay, you can delete them easily. First, to make sure the page is deleted, you can just click view in here and select navigation pin. So you can see there, okay, there is 3 extra pages in here. To delete them, okay, I suggest you can click the cursor on the end of the page, okay, then press backspace button to delete the page. But in any case, very hard, sometimes it's very hard to delete the page. You can also go to the last of your content, okay, like this, and then press delete button on your keyboard. It will also delete the page, okay. First using backspace on your keyboard and the second using delete button, okay. The difference is when you use a backspace, you need to go to the end of the extra pages. So you can press backspace on your keyboard like this until it's gone for the pages. Okay, you can see this is using backspace. But you can see sometimes it left one and sometimes it's harder to delete this. You can go to the last of your content, for example, in here, then delete using delete button on your keyboard. Just hold the delete button. Okay, like that. And then that's all. Tutorial how you can delete extra page in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching.